Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Texas Lawyer account. Firstly, to do so, you have to make sure that you have an account already. If you do, then go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, you may type in texaslawyer.com and press enter. This will take you to the home page. Furthermore, to log in, you may click on the sign in option between the events option and the United States option. Once you click on the sign in option, then a portal opens up where you have to enter your email address. Now you may type in your email address. Once you do so, you may click on proceed. The website will then ask you for your password. You may type in your password. In any case, if you forget your password, you may click on the Forgot Password link below the text box. Additionally, you also have a choice on how you want to log in. You may click on the link in the middle so that the website could send a link to your email address. And once you click on the link which is sent in your email address, then you will be successfully logged into your account. However, here I would prefer typing in my password. Therefore, once I typed in my password, then click on sign in. This is how you can easily log into your Texas Lawyer account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.